Congratulations, you have multi-room DVR. Your multi-room DVR makes it possible to never miss a program again. This incredible technology allows you to record 15 shows at once and start watching a recorded show in one room and finish it another multi-room. DVR lets you watch recorded shows on as many TVs as you want. You can pause live TV with the click of a button and resume without ever missing a beat. You can set preferences to schedule and delete recordings whenever you wish. Now that's freedom. So listen up, and it will help you navigate your multi-room DVR in order to get the most out of all. It has to offer a recording function on your remote. The Optimum app and Optimum Net all provide a gateway to endless entertainment. Let's use the optimal note for our first demo. First, click on the guide button. Now select the program you would like to record. Then scroll to record and press select. This activates a list of record options that take recording a show to a whole new level. You can choose to record just one episode or an entire season. You can decide to record in HD/SD, or you can even decide how long you wish to keep the program, and you can modify its stop time so that you'll never miss that exciting ending. You can also record a program from the information bar. Hit the info button on your remote and scroll through future programming. Using the arrow buttons, once you determine the program you wish to record, press record next. Select all your options, then press select. It's that easy. Once you set up a recording, a red dot will appear next to the program name in the guide. Now let's make changes to a program that is already recording. First, hit the green DVR button, and you'll see both individual programs and folders for program series. Here, you'll see a program synopsis. Let's select what's on. Then you'll see three options: play stop recording and edit the chord. Time play allows you to play the program. As it continues to record, stop recording cancels the recording in progress. And edit record time allows you to expand the length of the recording. Now that you have recorded shows, you'll see a list of folders sorted by program name. Selecting a series folder allows you to see each individual program. You can choose to play the program. Modify how long you would like to keep the recording and delete the recording or block a program. You can also access your recordings by going to channel 1001. Optimum's multi-room DVR makes recording your favorite programs. You can record a program by hitting a record button on your remote, using the program guide to the Optimum app or Optimum Net on your smart device, or the Information Guard multi-room DVR. Record 15 shows at once and watch them from any room in the house. Never have to miss your favorite programs again. For other helpful tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.